Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we solve the following exponential equation. The question reads, solve 2 exponents x plus 2 exponents x plus 1 is equal to 24. Solution. The equation is giving us 2 exponents x plus 2 exponents x plus 1 is equal to 24. The first step is to rewrite the second term on the left-hand side. So we can rewrite 2 exponents x plus 1 as 2 exponents x times 2. Thus, our equation will now be giving us 2 exponents x plus 2 exponents x multiplying 2 is equal to 24. Now, when you look at the left-hand side, we can factor out 2 exponents x. So when we factor out 2 exponents x, we are going to have 2 exponents x out. For the first term, is going to be left with 1. So we have 1 plus. So when we factor out 2 exponents x from the second term, is going to be left with 2. So we have plus 2 is equal to 24, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3. So we are going to have the expression giving us 2 exponents x multiplying 3 is equal to 24. We now divide by the coefficient of 2 exponents x, which is equal to 3 in this case. So let's divide both sides by 3. So we're going to have 2 exponents x multiplying 3 divided by 3 is equal to 24 divided by 3. And so this guy will cancel out this guy. And then 3 goes into 24, 8. So we have 2 exponents x is equal to 8, right? We can rewrite 8 as 2 exponent 3. So our equation now becomes 2 exponents x is equal to 2 exponent 3, right? Since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side and the bases are the same, then the exponents must also be the same, right? Hence, x is equal to 3. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.